Hey guys, this is a Beko DFN16R10B freestanding dishwasher appliances online have given me the opportunity to review and keep. A fantastic service from applying to delivery when the guys dropped it off, and aftercare where the review team messaged me to make sure everything went smoothly. Anyway, back to the dishwasher. It was very easy to install. Just put the cold pipe onto the tap and put the outlet pipe into the outlet wastage to drain outside. The dishwasher itself comes with a handy gadget to refill the salt holder. No more salt spillages, yay! All you do to refill the salt is unplug this, put your gadget in, and tip some salt into it like that. I'm not going to put too much in because I've not long done this, but it does hold a good half a bag, if not a little bit more. Then just put the tap back on, and all done. Then we go to the dishwasher liquid refill. Just press the button, this one, and off it pops. Just pour your liquid in there. I think that's enough for now. Then pop it shut again. You've got 1 to 6 on here. I just have it on a 4. And then you pop your tablet in this bit and just close it up. And that's all ready to be washed. As you can see, there's plenty of room in here. I've got a 3-tier steamer and 6 plates, some cutlery on the bottom rack, which you could have a little bit more, but I don't need any more. That's quite fine. Then we go up to the top rack. I've got a oven tray, a pan, a ladle, a knife, 4 cups and a jug. So plenty of room when you're doing your Sunday roast. Also, this dishwasher, you can lower and higher the basket. I'm not sure if I can do it because I've only got one hand in use. But all you do is clip in these purple little things on the side, and then you can lower it or higher it to make room on the bottom basket. Right, for the programs, you've got an Eco 50, an Auto 40C 65, an intensive for them grimy, mucky, greasy pans, and a quick clean. I tend to use quick clean and pots come out sparkly, no problems whatsoever. There's also a Mini 30, I haven't tried that in a pre-wash. I might need to try that this afternoon because I've got my daughter and son-in-law coming for lunch. So lots of pots today. Then when you're ready to put it on, all you do